In this crochet basics tutorial, I will show you how to crochet an unusual picot. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches. To begin our row by making a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Make double crochet into the second stitch of the previous row. For this, yarn over the hook, skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1 and 2. Now, on the top of this double crochet, I will make a picot. For this, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then skip the first chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain, into the second chain stitch, and pull up a loop through. And repeat again, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop through. It was the second time, we need to do 3 more times. Make the third one, the fourth, and the fifth. In total it should be 5 times. Now we have 6 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Then insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet, pull up a loop, then yarn over the hook to work with double crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook to complete the picot. The first picot is done. And make double crochet 2 in a row. Make the first double crochet through the next stitch. Make the second double crochet. And make the third one through the next stitch. And on the top of this double crochet I will be making a picot. For this, a chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop through. Repeat the same 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. In total it should be 5 times. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet, pull up a loop, then yarn over the hook to work with double crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook to finish the second picot. The second picot is done. Let's look at work. In this part we have learned how to crochet an unusual picot. This is front side. And let's take a look at the back side. Thanks for watching.